Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. So today we're gonna see how to make a scrolling text, and also I'm gonna share a few tips, I guess, for reusing effects and title clips. So since we're making a text effect, we're gonna need a title clip. So project add title clip. And so here I'm gonna do something that's useful to reuse title clips. So I'm gonna write % instead of my normal text. And then, so this is kind of specific to this. There's a bug. I did report it, but I mean, it takes a while. It's normal. Since we're gonna scroll, I'm gonna need to add a few lines behind. So I'm just gonna add a lot of them. It doesn't really matter. And then I'm gonna animate my clip. So I'm going to go to animation here. Edit start viewport. I'm gonna dezoom a little because I can see. And the start viewport is gonna be right over the %s, and I'm gonna center it by putting 0. And then edit end viewport, and I'm gonna move this quite down because I'm gonna write a long piece of text. And put this to 0 as well. And here, instead of create title, which I would normally do, I'm gonna save the title clip. I don't know why it doesn't want it. So I will just create it and come back to it. Now I can save it. And I'm just gonna name it scrolling, and then you can just pick whatever. So now it doesn't show here, which is normal. So you're gonna do project, add template title. And here there's a list of the ones that come with Kdenlive, and you can make more. So scrolling is one I made, and then I have some text I'm gonna paste here. And yeah, any random text, and you do OK. And now, if you look at your template title clip, the %s is replaced. I did notice something I forgot. I need to change the justification of the text here, so I'm gonna put it to a line in the center, and I'm gonna save that again. Sorry about that. And now it did update here. So it should be okay. Yes, beautiful. And so it scrolls it the whole way. Isn't that pretty? But I want to make it like a bit like the Star Wars intro. So I'm gonna go here, look for corners. Corner is an effect that allows you to have some kind of perspective, kind of. So I'm gonna move this toward the center here.
Right. And this one, this direction.
And I do want them to be right on the line, so I'm gonna change these numbers back to what they were before. This one and this one as well. And I'm even gonna move these ones a little bit to the right and left. So the corner 3 is gonna be to this side, and the corner 4 is gonna go to this side. So I think pretty good. So you could just have it like this and just save the corners effect. Either way, you can change the length of your clip so that you can read more easily. If you go in there, you can change this to like
15 maybe. Say title. And I will save it.
Now it's gonna take longer to scroll. So we have our scrolling text, and it's pretty good. If you want to add some things to make it better, I have some ideas for you. So the first one is to add rotate and shear. You could use the other rotate, I think, probably. I just did it with this one. So I'm gonna go and collapse the corners effect so that I can see what I'm doing, and rotate in the Y direction. But one thing is that it's gonna cut it off at the bottom, so I'm gonna add a transform effect. Here. I'm gonna add a transform effect and move it down until I can't see the bottom, so I'm gonna need this. Now it looks ugly at the top, so I'm gonna do something else again, which is add some blur so that it fades out. So I'm gonna add alpha shapes here to the whole thing. Perfect. I want it very big in X, quite big in Y, but it's gonna go down in Y, and have a large transition width. And I'm gonna go quite late so that I can see the bottom here. So alpha shapes come back, and I need to align the but disappear here, and even more transition width. Now it looks like this. I think that's pretty cool. A ton of effects. We might want to save them all together, so you can save them here, the stack, so you can just do. But you can also save it as a library clip, and I'll link the video to that. So I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please like, subscribe, whatever, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye!